Money. Today we will learn about money. You know children what is money? Money is paisa, coin, that is rupees, that is money. Money is used to purchase the thing, that is money. These are the coins. These are the coins. Okay, this is said to be coins. Following Indian coins are used these days. Now we are using these coins to purchase the things. You know children, 1 rupee equals 100 paisa. This is your 1 rupee, no? How we can make 1 rupee? By adding 100 paisa. If you have 100 paisa, that means that is equal to 1 rupee. Understood? 100 paisa equals to 1 rupees. Like here 50 paisa is there, no? So 250 paisa makes 100. 250 paisa makes 100. Like this is 50 paisa. Okay. And one more 50 paisa. That's equal to 0, 5 plus 5, 10. So 50 paisa and one more 50 paisa makes 100. Same way 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. If you have this 250 paisa, it will be 1 rupee. Clear? So 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Short form of rupees is RS. In short, rupees is written as RS. RS. Firstly, this RS is used, and wait, I will tell you. And P, paisa. P stands for paisa. Instead of paisa, 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 if we write only P, it means here when we talk about money, it means paisa. And instead of writing rupee, if you write RS rupees, that means rupees only. RS, it is written in short. In short, always we can't write the full spelling in math, so you have to write in short. Okay, only in maths. Now here you can see here, nowadays we are using this symbol RS as an international symbol for rupees. That only I wanted to tell you. This rupees, no, firstly it was rupees was denoted as this way RS, but now that rupees is denoted in this way. Okay, so this is the international symbol for the rupees. Okay, now we, instead of writing this rupees, we use this symbol for writing rupees. This symbol we use as writing rupees. Okay, now look here. Here head tricks. Head tricks means you have to use your head and make it orally. Add orally and write the answer. This is 1 rupee. Here see rupiah is written. Open your book and see rupiah is there. So 1 rupee, this is 5 rupee, and this is 2 rupees. Then how many rupees are there? 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 rupees. How many rupees? 8 rupees. Count the next. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 rupees. Here is 50. Here look here, paisa is written. 50 paisa and here 25 paisa. 50 paisa plus 25 paisa. Paisa, when we are adding paisa, it gives you paisa only. Okay. 50 plus 25, see, 50 plus 25, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 75 paisa. Got it? Next is 25 paisa, 25 paisa and 25 paisa. Add 25 3 times, again you will get 75 paisa. Clear? Now look at the same way. here 25, 25, 25 there. If 250 paisa is there, 50 paisa, then it will be 100 paisa. That equals to 1 rupee. That equals to 1 rupee. 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. Now here also you have to do orally. Fill in the blanks. 5 rupees note. If you have two 5 rupees note, 5 plus 5, how many rupees? 10 rupees. So how many 5 rupees note make 10 rupees? How many 5 rupees note make 10 rupees? Like 10 you have to, how many 5 rupees will you take to make 10? कितना 5 रुपया लोगे कि 10 हो जाएगा? 5 plus 5, it makes 10. So 2 5 rupees, okay? 2 5 rupees note makes 10. 2 5s are 10. Clear? Now how many 5 rupee notes will you take to make 40? Now you can divide also. 20 divide 5, you will get C. 20 divide 5. 5 fours are 20. So 5 rupees will make rupees 20. Clear? Now this is 50. How many 10 rupees make 50? 5 10 rupees will make 50. As 5 tens are 50, or you want to get it, then you have to divide it 10. 10 fives are 50. So we'll write here. Now how many 100 rupees make 10 rupee note? Now 10 rupee note, no? So 10 tens are 100. 10 rupee. Last is how many 500 rupees, how many 100 rupees make 500? So 100, 500, 100 fives are 500. So 500 rupees make 500 rupees make 500. Clear? What you have to fill in that? 2 in the first block, 2, then 4, 5, 10 and 5. Okay? 2 5 rupee, I am repeating, 2 5 rupee note makes 10, 4 5 rupees note make 20, 5 10 rupees note make 50, and 10 rupees note make 100, and 500 rupees note make 500. Look here, this also you have to do orally. This is 20 rupees note, 220 rupees. 220 rupee note is there, okay? 220 makes 40. 220 makes 40. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4. Okay, 220 makes 40. 20 plus 20 makes 40. Understood? Now, how many 10 rupees note will you take to make it 50? How many 10 rupees will you take to make it 50? Then 40. 40 plus how many rupees will you add in 40 that it will be 50 rupees? Then we'll add only 110 rupee note. Only 110 rupee note if you add, it will make 50. Understood? Because 40, 22 rupees, 22 notes are there, no? That is 40, and 10 one note means 40 plus 10, 50. It makes 50. Listen carefully, okay? Now here is 20 rupee notes. 420 rupees note. 420 rupees note means 20 multiply 4. That is 80. 4 zeros are 0. 4 twos are 80. Okay. Now you have to make 100 rupees. So how many 10 rupee note will you add with 80 so that you can make 100? 80 plus 2 10 rupee note. 2 10 rupee note how? 2 tens are 20. Then only it will be no 80 plus 20, 100. So 2 10 rupee note, if you add with the 420 rupees note, it will be 100 rupees. Look here, this is 20 rupees note. 5 rupee notes. How many 5 rupee note will make 20 rupees? But here 110 rupees there. So how many 110 rupees there? Then how many 5 rupee note will make 20? 10. 20 minus this 10. Only 10 is left. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5 rupee note means 2 5 rupee note means that equals to 10, and 110 rupee note equals 10. Both you add, you will get 20. You have to understand it very carefully. Now here see 5 rupee note. If 10 5 rupee note is there, 10 5 rupee note means 10 5s are 50. 50 rupees is already there. Then how many more 10 rupee notes will you take to make 100 rupees? Again we'll take how many 10 rupee note. How many 10 rupee notes will make this 100 rupee? Here 10 5 rupee note, that is 50. Then how many 10 rupees note will you take to make it 100? 10 rupees note, this is already 50. Then 5 10 rupees note. Okay. Then it will be also 5 10 rupee note will be 50, and 50 plus 50 100. So it will make 100 rupees. Here simple, you have to add paisa, paisa. Here all are paisa, paisa, paisa. So add all the paisas. Here rupees you have to add. Simply addition is there. Rupees, if you are adding 8 plus 9, 1 space, as we add first 1 space. 8 plus 9 17, you got 7. Then 1 is carry. 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 8. Okay. So here what you have to do carefully, children, if rupees and paisas together is given, add 28 rupees 17 paisa. Here 17 paisa and 34 rupees 29 paisa. So you have to write rupees in rupees column and paisa in paisa column. Okay, I am doing one for you. This question, like 28 rupees there. So you have to make two columns. One is rupees, as rupees symbolize this way. This you have to write rupees and paisa. Now 28 rupees is there. So 28, that 28 rupees you have to write in rupees column. These two columns are there. Okay. 28 rupees column and 17 paisa. Paisa you have to write in paisa column. Now next is there and 34 rupees and 29 paisa, and here again 34 rupees, so in rupees column, and 29 paisa in paisa column. Because it is add, so you have to add it. Now 9 plus 7 16, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 8 plus 4 12, 5, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. Then you got the answer 62 rupees 46 paisa. 62 rupees 46 paisa. Understood? Same way you have to complete all these questions given on your book, page number 131. Now this is the question of subtraction. In subtraction, what you have to do, like as 48 rupees from 96 rupees. From 96 rupees means 96 rupees you have to write at top. This is rupees, and from 96 you have to subtract 48. Means out of 96 you have to minus 48. Now subtract it. 6 minus 8. 6 is lower digit, that is in ones, so we'll take from the tens. Here 16, here is 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. So the answer is rupees 48. Okay. If two things are together, like subtract 39 rupees and 28 paisa from 46 rupees and 85 paisa. So you have to make two columns, rupees and paisa, because in this question both are given. So one column for rupees, the another column for paisa. Then here subtract 39 rupees 22 from. So from, after from the number which is given, no, you have to write that in top. 46 rupees and 85 paisa. Minus is there, minus 39 rupees 28 paisa. Paisa you have to write in paisa column and rupees you have to write in rupees column. 5 minus 8, that is smaller digit, so you have to borrow here and here it remains 7. 15 minus 8, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. This is paisa. 6 minus 9, it is lowest digit 16. This is 3. Now 9. 16 minus 9, that you will get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Rupees 7, 57 paisa. Is it correct? Okay. Rupees 7 and 57 paisa. This is your answer. So this way you have to do the page number 132 in your book. Complete both pages and show to me. Thank you, children.